What's going on YouTube? Uberman here. It's been a while since I've done any talking about Uber, but I saw an article today that just kind of stood out to me, so I wanted to bring this to everybody's attention. This is from Las Vegas, and this is from today, June 8th, 2018 at 9:36 a.m. This is from CNN Fox 5. Uber wants to know when you've had a few too many drinks, and it's turning to artificial intelligence for answers. The ride-sharing giant has published a patent application to identify drunk passengers. It describes an algorithm that will weigh a variety of factors like typos, how precisely a user clicks, walking speed, and the time of day. For example, a rider that clumsily typing at 1 a.m. on a Sunday would likely be considered not sober. Uber plans to use that technology to better tailor its rides, either by warning drivers or matching them with drivers with relevant experience or training. Uber did not respond to a request for a comment. This is from Fox 5 Vegas, and it's titled Uber Turns Artificial Intelligence to Identify Drunk Rides. I think that's a really interesting concept. You're going to see a lot of new technology being implemented in these types of apps now and in the future, I imagine, especially with all of this machine learning that's going on. Artificial intelligence is going to play a huge role in these on-demand gig economy applications. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. If you thought it sucked, give it a big thumbs down. And if you got an opinion on this subject, do me a favor, comment below. I love reading you guys talking and arguing back and forth amongst each other. Until next time, stay safe out there. I'll catch you soon in the next one.